Choosing the right credit card processing provider or merchant services provider for your quick service restaurant, QSR, or for your cafe, that type of business. How do you pick the right credit card processing provider? And we're going to talk about that in the video today. TransactionExpert.com is the leader in transaction services. We build your online presence and point of sale system to integrate with each other. If you are ready to understand and control the entire customer experience, visit TransactionExpert.com. If you have a quick service restaurant or like a cafe, that kind of thing where people are walking in, you may have some people that are doing sit-down service, but people are walking up and they're ordering at the counter, getting their order, and then taking it back to their seat. If that describes your restaurant, I want to talk to you today about choosing the right transaction services provider. Now, when people think about transaction services, that's an industry. We're the industry leader there. We have more customers than anybody else in the transaction services industry. And let me explain what that is for just a second. Transaction services basically encompasses the entire transaction. So we're out there working with you to create your website so that people get interested in your business and find your business in the first place. We generate that interest. Then they're making an order, whether they're ordering online or they're ordering in your business. We drive the foot traffic into your business. Then we have the point of sale system or the credit card machine or whatever you want to process transactions in your business. Then we go another step further and try to do loyalty programs, gift card programs, try to find creative ways to help you manage the loyalty and getting that repeat customer to come back. So basically what we do is transaction services encompasses basically helping you get more transactions. We have thousands of small business owners in the US and Canada that work with us to help them generate more transactions, process transactions, get repeat transactions, handle the administrative side of things so that there's a smooth process for somebody to purchase something. So we work with this entire what we call transaction services. Now let me talk about how that applies to a quick service restaurant. So first of all, let's talk about credit card processing just as it is, okay? Many quick service restaurants still do not have a point of sale system. So I'm going to assume for just a second that you don't have a point of sale system, or if you do, that you have a separate company providing your credit card processing for you. If that's the case, you need to look at your credit card processing statement. You need to identify a couple things. First of all, what is your average ticket size? In other words, what's the average size of a transaction that you would run in your business, okay? Now, I'm going to give you a couple ranges. If that range is like $20 or less, so if you're processing a lot of $10 transactions, $15 transactions, $20 transactions, then if that's you, you're what's called a low ticket size merchant. All that means is that the average size of your transaction is a little bit lower than other businesses, like for instance, a fine dining restaurant, right? You're going to have a lower average ticket size than fine dining. You really need to be focused on your per item transaction fees, okay? You got to look at your per item transaction fees because most quick service restaurants are doing a lot of transactions. You might be doing 1,000 or more transactions a month. So keep in mind, if you're doing 1,000 transactions a month, every 10 cents that you save on your transaction fee is going to save you $1,200 a year. So if you can get your transaction fee from 45 cents to 35 cents is the total you're paying for a transaction, then that just made you $1,200 extra to your bottom line. So it really matters when you get that transaction fee down. The percentage fees don't matter as much. Whether you're paying 1.2% or 1.5%, if it's a $10 transaction, that's like 2 pennies. It doesn't really matter that much. What matters more is you got to look at the transaction fee and see how much you can get that down, and that's what's really going to save you a lot of money on that. Okay, now the other thing I want to talk about is if you're in another bracket, let's say you're up to 20 to 30, 30 to 40 in that range. Now you want to really be looking more at your effective rate, and I'm going to tell you how to figure that out right now. So if you have a credit card processing statement handy, just go ahead and grab it real quick, and let's take 30 seconds, and I'll show you how to figure out if you're paying too much on your credit card statement. It's a neat little trick. It's really easy to do. So pause the video, grab your credit card statement, come back over here, and let me show you how to do it. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Look at your credit card statement and find your total fees, okay? Once you have your total fees, should be at the very bottom or the very top, on the very last page or the very first page there. Find your total fees. Take your total fees and divide that by your total processing volume. Your total processing volume. So in other words, if you look at the top of your statement, you'll probably have a little thing that shows your card types. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, PIN debit, and you're going to have these dollar amounts there. You processed $5,600 in Visa, $3,400 in MasterCard, and on, okay? Now let me just use some simple math. Let's say that you processed $30,000 worth of credit card transactions and you spent $900 in fees. If you take 900 divided by 30,000, that's 3%. And that's what in this industry we call your effective rate. Okay? Now, depending on your volume, your average ticket size, your effective rate's going to vary a lot. But in my experience, for a quick service restaurant, a cafe, that type of thing, usually your effective rate should be somewhere in the range of 2.5 to 3.5%. Okay? Now, if you do it and it's like 1.9%, you probably did something wrong. You need to go ahead and get an analysis done. If you're at 2.5 to 3.5%, you might have it looked at. Maybe we can still save you some money there. Certainly we can get you a better technology, website, point of sale system, etc. If you're at 3.5 or a little less, 3.2 or higher, you really need to get an analysis done because you're probably overpaying for your credit card processing services. If you want to get a free analysis done, all you have to do is go to transactionexpert.com/analysis, or just go to transactionexpert.com, click on Find a Local Expert, put your zip code in there, and then it's really easy. All you have to do is put your zip code in, hit go, and then you're going to take you right to the profile page of a local transaction expert that can help you with this stuff. So you got to look at your effective rate for the credit card processing side and see what that is. And again, if you're a quick service restaurant, cafe, that type of thing, if you're up above 3%, 3.2, 3.5, and you're starting to get up higher, 4%, 4.5%, get an analysis done and check it out. Also, if you're at 2% or lower, you probably did something wrong, so you need to check that out as well, okay? Now, let me talk about the other thing I want to talk about is transaction processing for a quick service restaurant is so much more than just about accepting a credit card and running it through the cash machine. Quick service restaurants run into huge issues with things like mistakes that are made, orders that are done incorrectly, and it's so easy to fix that it's just painful to me that there's so many quick service restaurants that don't have the right technology in place. We provide an amazing touchscreen point of sale system. We give it to you for free, meaning you don't pay for the hardware. I mean, these systems cost anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000. We'll give you multiple registers. We don't charge you anything for the hardware up front. There's a small setup fee that you pay for the software, and then you're going to pay a monthly software and support fee. But we don't charge you anything for the hardware. It's our way of kind of getting our foot in the door so we can establish a relationship with you. Let us help you with two things, okay? With technology. Please let us help you with this if you don't already have it. Number one, kitchen printer. You got to have a kitchen printer, okay? Probably you need 2 or 3 kitchen printers, but you got to at least have one kitchen printer. What that means, for those of you who don't know, you have a receipt printer at the register, which we also give you for free, but when you put in the order and you ring up somebody, the kitchen printer, when you click the order, it sends it back electronically and prints it on the kitchen printer, or we can give you a kitchen screen if you prefer. There's an additional software fee for the screen, of course, because they're really expensive. But if you want a printer or a screen, some way, you got to send the order electronically back to the kitchen. Stop writing out your orders and throwing them in the back or clipping them on something. People make mistakes when the way they write things up, then people can't read it, and there's all kinds of problems with that. Secondly is online ordering. If you're a quick service restaurant, there's a reason that you're supposed to be called quick. It's because people don't want to spend a long time eating there. If they wanted to spend an hour and a half at a restaurant, they would probably go to a fine dining restaurant, right? They're on their lunch break. They want to order their food, they want to be ready to go, they want to walk in, get their food, and leave. So, if you want to really accomplish that effectively, get a website. More importantly, get a mobile-enabled website so people can go on their smartphone, pull up your website, click on the items they want to order. With our system, what we do is we design a website for you, again, for free, no upfront cost. We design the website, you pay a monthly fee for the website, and we have a solution where we integrate the website with the point of sale system so people make the order on their smartphone and it sends it to the kitchen printer in your kitchen, and then they start making the order, they see it's for pickup, take the order, and you can have a pickup, delivery module in there, and people that come and dine in. So whether it's online orders, in-store pickup, or delivery, or people just dining in, all of that can be handled in your point of sale system, and you can get detailed reports to see how much revenue you're generating from those different parts of your business. My name is James Shepard. Thanks for watching this video. If you're a quick service restaurant or a cafe, go to transactionexpert.com, click on Find a Local Expert near me, put the little zip code in there of your business, hit go, and you're going to find a local expert near you that can help you improve your business.